Hey friends, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making 3 healthy and high protein vegan recipes. Lately I have been really busy in the morning, so I've been opting for a tropical smoothie. I usually like to put a lot of spinach in, some frozen banana, a little bit of jackfruit, and some frozen peaches. Some of my favorite smoothie stir-ins are hemp seeds and chia seeds. Both are high in protein. I also like to add a little water, some plant milk. I've been loving almond milk in my smoothies lately, and some OJ. I have been loving my magic bullet that I got at Publix. I have a Ninja blender and I do love it, but sometimes when Matt's not here, getting that big blender out is a lot. So I really like having the small magic bullet just for like personal small smoothies for me. With this smoothie, I'm pairing it with some Ezekiel bread, cinnamon raisin English muffins. These are so healthy. This is probably one of the healthiest breads you can buy, the Food for Life brand. Whole Foods carries it, and Trader Joe's, and in most grocery stores you can find it in the frozen bread section. I'm topping mine with some roasted almond butter for extra flavor and more protein. These two items combined are a total of 12 grams of protein. Next, we're making tahini and date protein balls. You'll need 1 cup of pitted medjool dates, 1 cup raw cashews, half cup tahini, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. In a large food processor, add the cashews and pulse until finely chopped. Next, add the medjool dates and process again. And lastly, add the tahini, vanilla, and salt, and pulse until the mixture forms a dough. Form the dough into 1.5 to 2 inch little balls and place on a paper-lined baking sheet and stick in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes to firm up a little bit. 2 of these delicious tahini and date balls equals 7 grams of protein. Next, we're making broccoli and lentil veggie dippers with a spicy sriracha mayo. You'll need a 1/4 cup of lentils. I'm using pui lentils, also known as green lentils or French lentils. Place them in a medium saucepan along with 1/2 cup of water and bring to a boil. Once it's boiling, turn down the heat to simmer and cook for 20 minutes. Next, you'll need 2 cups of broccoli florets and a 1/2 cup of shredded carrots, which I forgot to videotape. Next, make a flax egg. You'll need 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed meal and 3 tablespoons of water. This will help act as a binder and keep everything together. Next, in a double broiler, steam the broccoli for about 10 minutes until soft. Ooh yeah! In a large food processor, add the cooked lentils, the steamed broccoli, the flax egg, and the shredded carrots. And now for the spices, you'll need garlic powder, salt, dried parsley, ground black pepper, onion powder, dried oregano, dried basil, and breadcrumbs. Process until well combined with a crumbly texture. Divide mixture into 12 patties and arrange on a paper-lined baking sheet. In a separate bowl, add some breadcrumbs and toss each patty to get a nice coating. These are very delicate, so be gentle. In a large skillet, on medium-high heat, add a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Then when it's hot, add the patties and cook on each side for about 3 to 5 minutes. I love pairing these with some sriracha mayo. I just add 3 to 4 tablespoons of Veggie, the vegan mayo, and then a tablespoon or 2 of sriracha sauce. That's it, and it is so, so good. It's like the perfect sauce, just 2 ingredients. And 3 veggie dippers comes in at a whopping total of 12 grams of plant protein. These turned out amazing. I hope you enjoyed these vegan recipes today. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.